Assalamu alaikum. I'd like to start off by thanking you for joining the 1 Million Prompters program, an initiative that has been launched under the directives of His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Crown Prince of Dubai, to teach 1 million people how to prompt in the Emirate of Dubai. This initiative is focused on ensuring that each and every single one of you starts their journey in being enabled, empowered, and hopefully transforming your lives using artificial intelligence. We know that these tools bring with them a lot of promises, and that the opportunities can only be grasped if we are empowered by understanding how to use them effectively and understanding as well how these tools can serve us better. Our view of the UAE is a view of positivity. We try to balance the negatives of technology by regulating against them, but also leverage the opportunities by empowering individuals and citizens such as yourselves to use this technology effectively and to change your lives and the lives of those around you. We urge you to use the skills that you will gain from this program in your personal lives and in your professional lives where they are fit, to increase your productivity, to unleash your creativity, and to help you create things that these tools will bring to your fingertips. We also hope that this is the start of a lifelong journey of transformation, of continuous learning and development, and of utilizing tools to make the UAE society the most advanced, the most capable, and the most productive. We wish you the best of luck and hope to see your impact on the UAE and beyond.